I had this heavy wall steel tube which I've cut to at an angle. I'm going to tack these on, and then I've got some box section that uses the back leg. I'm going to use the, if it looks right method, it will be right method of lining this lot up, and just put a couple of tacks on with the MIG, and then I'll probably stick weld it on once I get it all fitting and looking the way I want it to be. We'll fire the MIG up, tack them on, and then go from there, I think. I want the legs leaning slightly forward, like that. But if I do them through a 45 degree, if I look straight through there, that's the sort of position I want it. Like that looks not too bad at all. The angles appear to be the same. So I need to make a leg for the back and then weld it all together. This is what I've got for the back leg. I think it's 80-40 box section. That's all I've got. I'm just using what I've got lying about. So I'm going to put a straight line across there, cut that, tack that on, and then I can mark the bottoms and cut the bottoms at an angle and probably put feet on it. So we need to cut that off straight across there. I'm having plenty of back angle on it because I don't want it, obviously don't want it falling over. I want it nice and sturdy. And being a tripod, it'll stand on anything, any uneven surface. That's why milking stools only have 3 legs, because they'll stand on an uneven surface. Right, so we've got some marks to play with. This square's handy because it's got a big steep, or a big deep recess in it, so you can get it into ideal for the curved edges on box section. Right, chop that off and go from there. Using the vise already. I'm going to lie this down before it falls down and hurts somebody like me. not wearing gloves, but I have got a big face mask on. I've ground the mill scale off here. You don't have to stick welding and go through anything, but it obviously gives a better result if you do. I'll just tack that corner first. Looks pretty good actually. I could probably weld this with a MIG, but I know for a fact that a stick weld onto 3/4 plate is really going to bite in. You can have a good looking MIG weld and it's got no penetration. Normally if a stick weld looks good, it is good. It's starting to get heavy now. Right, so that's going to go on there like that. The height's pretty good for working outside. I need to trim the legs to level it up and put some feet on, but it's kind of what I expected it to look like. Substantial, go nowhere. This is the metric tab drawer in one of my toolboxes. I've got little pieces of flat board in there to divide the different compartments up. But what happens is these lift up and you get a tab stuck underneath, and then all of a sudden it ends up looking like that. This was all divided at one time. I've just give up on it. I was out shopping with a wife the other day in a sort of shops that women go into, and I found some ideal little trays to put into my toolbox. I'll show you them now. This is a toolbox I've recently bought, and I've got no dividers for it. So I found these trays in the shop when I was shopping with Deb. These were actually £2 each. I bought a lot of them, and this doesn't normally happen to me, but they actually fit in there perfectly like that. That never happens to me. That always slack or they won't go in. Hands are dirty. So in here I can put my metric taps for a start. I bought 20 of these because that's all I had in stock. So I can sort out the rest of these drawers, putting various compartments in and putting things away I want it to be. The minute that's stuff just put in here haphazardly, but I do need to get it sorted. They're the dividers for this. I've only got 2 or 3 of them. Even they're not in straight. But things get stuck underneath them in the jam. Where the plastic boxes would be ideal. Also, if I'm using, say, metric taps, I can pick that out, take it away, put it next to the milling machine, or take it to work to do a job at work or whatever. And once I clean all the dirty marks off, I can write on what's in them. Well, I'll know what's in them. So when you go shopping with your wives, make sure you go to the kitchen department and see what's on sale. And like I say, I bought a big heap of these. And if any more come in stock, I'll get some more. They're just too deep for the other tool cabinet, but they're ideal for this one. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Anyway, thanks for watching.